today we have one of our installations going on in Air 3. Let's have a look on the product that we have already installed here. This is a three section window, which is two casements on the side, and then we have a picture window in the right middle. Our frame has two-step transition here, which makes it more colonial style look, which is of course contemporary. And also we have decided to use black weather stripping. Why black? Because white weather stripping gets dirty after 2-3 months and it will turn into the yellow. Black also gets dirty, but you don't really see that it is. So all those combinations that I just pointed out that makes us different from exterior makes this entire window pop up in your house. And we're ready to come and give you the free estimation. You can call us at our phone numbers, or you can email us or book an appointment through our website.